Hi everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make teoji udon, homemade udon. You just need only 4 ingredients. It is super easy. I hope you can try it out. This video is made in VR180 format. You can move around the screen 180 degrees, and also if you have a Google Cardboard or whatever the headset available, you can view this kitchen in 3D view. Put your headset on and let's cook together. I hope you enjoy this video. Here are the ingredients. Written recipe is always in the description box, so please check it out. Today I have a special guest, my mom. Let's get started. So you need 4 cups of all-purpose flour. It doesn't have to be perfectly measured, just put it. Okay. And you need 1 cup of water. And 1 egg white. Egg white and 1 tablespoon of salt, and you just put this in a bread machine and press start to knead. So when the dough is done, you open the bread machine and put the dough in a plastic bag. And you put in a plastic bag and rest for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, you want to remove the dough out from the plastic bag and divide it into 5 pieces. You roll out the dough and make it flat so that you can put through this in a pasta maker machine. そんな感じ? So, like this. Set the dial to the widest, which is number 1, usually number 1. You put through this once. Then again, you want to roll it thinner, so you wanted to change this dial to 2, the next narrowest setting. Much easier to use pasta machine. It is fun. You can make this with kids. Now you put through the pasta cutting machine. Cook for 10 minutes until the noodles are cooked. If you are serving udon cold, then you may want it to wash, but this time I'm going to eat this hot, so I'm going to put this directly into the soup. You can put tempura in udon. Wow. はい、いただきます。いただきます。